How wonderful. After a long day, you come and enjoy your space. This is luxury. This is Riverside. It's quiet, it's chill, it's exclusive, it's elegant. This is the place where you'll feel like home after your hustles in the day. And this is the most exclusive property you can find in Nairobi. Fewer residences, more space, more exclusive living. This is Westlands. This is designed for visionaries, for people who love masterpieces, for people who love elegance, art in motion, and beautiful spaces. Let me show you through these spaces that were thoughtfully crafted for a person who loves art, who loves elegance, exclusivity, and just space, you know? You've done your day. I mean, you want to unwind just before you get to your apartment, or before you just, there's that wind down. I feel like this is the place you'll just come and chill and enjoy and look at the vast skyline and remember where you are. You were part of that hustle, but now you're in this peaceful, quiet location, reminiscing about how the day was and counting your success. Nothing beats being in the heart of the city, and you can still enjoy your sunrise and sunset views. This is your home in Riverside, Westlands. And this is not for everyone. It is specifically designed for those who love sophistication, elegance, privacy, and luxury.
So this 3-bedroom plus DSQ entrance speaks some discretion and privacy. Something about this living room is it is so generous, more than it is empty. So it is a very good place to live in. From the spacing, the lighting, and the crisp finishes, this is a living room that you will always love to enjoy your mornings, evenings, and nights. Something about the water running in early mornings and the evenings can help me really calm my mind from the noises outside there. You know, this space is quite ideal. I can read my book here, or on weekends I can have friends over, we can have a small barbecue, enjoying these perfect views, you know, very crisp. The kitchen space is also part of the living experience. It is open, well balanced, the kind of kitchen that works whether you're hosting or you're keeping things simple. And the finishes, they are deliberate. All your utility needs are catered on this side, plus your DSQ. The 2 bedrooms are tucked away in a very safe and private corner, each one of them. Take a keen look at the finishes of this wardrobe space. You can look at the cupboard. Storage space, very sufficient. Lighting will not be an issue in these rooms, as you can enjoy the morning sun or the sunset. As a lover of art, this wall looks so perfect. Can put maybe the Bruno assist record. Both bedrooms being en suite completes the private residency feeling. You know, your water closet, a mirror, your sink, and a rain shower. Now to the part of the home that is more intimate, your master bedroom. After a busy day at work, before I enjoy my master bed, this is the place I will be retreating to. I like this wooden finish. Give some warmth to the room, and keep in mind, look at the wall-to-wall window sliding door. This is finished with aluminium, good quality, you know, so lighting, sound, all those things are catered for by this. And then to your intimate ground. It goes without saying, look at the space, just let it sink in. This is your place where you'll be residing and relaxing your mind. And what's a master without a walk-in closet? From the looks of it, this looks like a his and a hers. Of course, you can look, this is bigger. And again, as I've said, space is everywhere. Finishes are crisp and everyone gets a room. This is your master washroom. The space of this shower space. Ooh, perfect. Your water closet, floating water closet, and a his and a hers sink. Oh my. This is your shavers section. You have a shaver socket here. You can look at yourself. I'm looking so fly.
So Riverside Drive is known to be the most respected address in Nairobi. It is intentionally designed to have low density homes or accommodations, and it is home to the diplomatic delegates, and it's also the most secure private neighborhood you can have in Westlands. I believe the designer of this development put this all into perspective. The fact that we are right next to a river and we are also enjoying all these scenic views just around this place, mature greenery. We're talking about trees that have been here for more than 40 years, 50 years. And it is the first place that you would think of if you're looking at a very sophisticated neighborhood in Nairobi. The moment you walk into this development, you start feeling the intentionality to it. The reception is really wonderful. You come in and you're greeted by these calm tones. You're enjoying this contrast of colors, and the floor is black. The structure itself is white. And you can see the art that has gone even into just the reception area of this development. Conveniently, when you enter these residences, you are greeted by a reception, and that reception can lead you either to a private office. There are 2 private offices in these residences, and you can also have this state-of-the-art restaurant area. So when you're hosting your friends, you don't have to tell them, let's meet at a restaurant in town. You can literally bring them to this quiet neighborhood in Riverside. And you can host them at your home. The corridors, the stairways, the hallways have been crafted to give you a sense of quiet and seamless access through the entire property. The developer even went further and actually designed 2 sky gardens, one facing the sunrise, one facing the sunset. And guess what? They are all accessible to you. They are all elevated. So from the sunset side, you can literally see all the way to the Karura Forest, which is a major attraction in Nairobi. And beyond that, you will smell fresh air all around this property because of the way it was designed to access airflow, accesses the property without struggle. The moment you get into your unit, you're greeted by this natural light setup because all the windows are facing outwards. And I mean, there's nothing more that can tell you let's get connected to the Mother Nature than having access to natural light and open spaces. And that has been well crafted into this development. So all units have been carefully designed to that person who wants to enjoy peace, quiet, and calmness from their apartment. And even so, the rooms themselves, once you close up the windows and the doors, it is soundproof. So you can literally lock yourself out of all the noise in Nairobi. So look, we don't have so many residences available. And this is a ready project, so you can literally buy today and we'll move in tomorrow. So give me a call. Let's have a walk through this development. Let's give you a private tour and experience this development, and you let me know if even you wouldn't like to live here. Let's meet on the other side. The phone number is always on your screen.